Take your dirty dunks and turn them into this. No water needed, no washing machine, only Just Suede. First, let's assess the shoe. This is the Rasta Dunk Low, made of authentic black suede and authentic colored nubuck. We'll be focusing only on the pre-treatment process in this video. In our pre-treatment step, we will strategize to prevent color transfer on the different colored suedes by using separate tools for each color. Now we will begin attacking the dirt with the white gradient side of the dual-sided eraser. Again, pre-treatment is done first while the shoe is completely dry. Erase the shoe panel by panel and brush off any debris in the process. Use the dual-sided eraser in a back and forth and circular motion to dislodge the dirt. You will spend the most time in the pre-treatment step. A proper pre-treatment will help avoid committing suicide. The Just Suede kit has all the tools in this video and can be found at nulifekicks.com or just click on the link. We will be needing a separate eraser for the red colored suede. Use the corners of the eraser to avoid hitting other colored suedes. We call this sneaker cleaning with precision. Suede has a tendency to bleed, so it is very likely that you will transfer the color if you don't switch to a separate tool for each color. Erase every panel of the shoe and alternate between the 4-way crepe brush as well. The 4-way crepe brush comes in to pick up any leftover dirt and penetrate the suede at a deeper level. Be sure to angle the crepe brush to clean with precision and avoid color transfer. Remember to switch to a different colored tool to match the suede color you're cleaning, just like we did with the dual-sided erasers. Use the different sides of the 4-way crepe brush for hard-to-reach suede areas like the eyelets, stitching, and leather cuts. Although black suede doesn't appear to be dirty, a pre-treatment is still necessary to restore the luster and revitalize the color. Any remaining dirt will be removed in our treatment process. Again, remember that suede is best cleaned dry. Removing the surface layer dirt will help avoid staining your suede in the next step. Stay tuned for our next video focusing on the second step in our 3-step suede cleaning process. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this.